video is a tutorial on this eye look here. The product that I'm using in this video is the LA Girl Ultra Beauty Brick, and this is an eyeshadow palette. As you can see, it's got loads of different colors and they're all sort of purpley toned colors, so I sort of went for a purpley toned halo eye look. I thought this was really nice and perfect for the upcoming fall season if you want to do something a little bit different. If you want to see how I got this makeup look, then keep on watching. So taking my palette, I'm going to start off with the lightest shade and I'm just going to apply that with a flat eyeshadow brush all over my eyelid, and this color is going to be the base for this eyeshadow look. And then I'm going to go in with the second color from the left and I'm just going to apply that to the center of my lid. Next, I'm going to take this third purpley color from the left and I'm just going to take a large fluffy brush and work that into my crease, sort of focusing it on the outer and inner portions of my crease, keeping the center for the highlighter shade. As you can see, I just took a smaller brush and I'm just working that into the inner and outer portions. And then taking the fourth color from the left, I'm just going to do the same but on my lid, just focusing that color on the outer and inner portions and leaving that center for the light highlighter shade so that it creates sort of that halo effect. Next, just to darken it up, I'm going to take the second color from the right and I'm just going to apply that in the same areas that I applied the other eyeshadows, just on the lid, on the outer and inner portions. Next, for the highlighter shade, I'm just going to take that very first lighter color and I'm just going to pat that on the very center of my lid. And then with a small angled brush, I'm just going to apply that purpley color just underneath my lower lash line to smoke that out a little bit and add a little bit more color. And then going in with that light shade again, I'm just going to apply it to the inner corners, and that is the eyeshadow look all done.